extremely glad to have attended this event. This program has not only helped me as a person, but it has also helped me develop my future money management skills.
Hi, my name is Suranj. I think this course is very impactful because I learned about how money and how to handle it. I learned a lot about how credit cards work, and I think that's really impactful for me because I've always wanted to get one, but I never really knew the consequences and the ins and outs about how to do it.
Hi, my name is Khadija, and this program really impacted my life because I'm more aware of what things are relevant and not relevant in terms of spending money. Now I'm more aware of how I can spend my money in a more relevant way. For example, like rather than spending them carelessly on shopping and entertainment, I can start saving up for my future.
I really enjoyed the program. It was highly engaging, but most importantly, I was able to learn that making money is not the end-all be-all, where I have to actually learn how to manage this money.
Hi, my name is Lubna, and I'd like to talk about this course. This was a very beneficial and impactful course as it helped me and other students on how to manage our money wisely.
Hi, my name is Dia Shah. I would like to encourage all of you guys, and I would like to talk about the Kfi program because this program is something which is very unique.
I really loved how we also focused on how even though if you earn less money, you can still get out of debt and reduce the amount of debt that you create just by allocating the amount of money you get more efficiently.
The responsibilities of managing money may be quite easy to understand. However, putting this into practice may not be so easy.
We don't learn such things in school, so for us to have a course like this really impacts the way I'll be dealing with financial situations in the future, and that's what I loved about this course.
But because of the program, now that I know what to look out for, I can see how my parents manage their money.
We haven't been open to such programs where you learn about where to spend money, how to be a smart spender, and learning about debts and how bad debt and good debt.
And therefore implement what they do right and what they do wrong into my own life when I start earning my own money, therefore making better decisions with hopefully less mistakes.
I am positive that my generation, the generation that has attended this program, will be smarter, braver, and richer in the future.
And this is a program which is going to help me in the future as well, as it's created awareness in me about how to be a bit more smart with managing money.
I would definitely recommend this course for the younger generations especially.
I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this opportunity.
And I really want to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for giving me this opportunity to learn more about adulthood and how to become financially independent in the future.
And I'd like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for giving us this opportunity to learn all of this.
And I'd like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank and Kfi Global for this amazing opportunity.
And I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this wonderful opportunity.